common castor butterfly sapping on lantana fruits. Hello friends, myself Pawan Damur from Pune, Maharashtra, India. Observing butterflies from the past 7 to 8 years. The common castor butterfly sapping on lantana fruits. 21st July 2024, 1 p.m. This is a very good observation wherein the butterfly is sapping on the fruits, lantana fruits. See, even the lantana, even though it is growing like a pest, but it is important in nature for the birds and butterflies, as the birds feed on the fruits and the butterflies also feed on the fruits and nectar